Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys a couple different ways of getting into the BIOS settings on your Windows 8 computer. First thing I would suggest would be to left click on the start button one time and then go up and left click on the power icon near the top where it says power options when you hover over it. And then hold down the shift key on your keyboard while left clicking on restart. So again, hold down the shift key while left clicking on restart. Just give it a moment here. So underneath choose an option, left click on troubleshoot, refresh or reset your PC, or use advanced tools. So left click on that, left click on advanced options again, and then for quite a few of you guys, since I'm in a virtual environment, I don't show it here. There would be an option in between command prompt and startup settings to access the UEFI firmware settings. So you just would left click on that and then you would follow along with the on-screen prompts and that would get you into the settings. However, if you're unable to see a tab like that in here, if we go back, I would suggest turning off your computer. So let me restart our computer here so we continue. I'm going to just shut off the computer power, and then depending on what your computer manufacturer is, there might be a slightly different key you have to tap in order to get into the BIOS. I'll tell you guys that you probably would have to go on Google and just type in your computer model and just see what key you're supposed to press for that. So in my case it's the F2 key, and this will launch into the setup utility. So again, a couple different ways to access it, but just wanted to put both of them out there for this tutorial. So again, I do hope one of the methods I went through was able to produce some good results for you guys. And as always, thank you for watching. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.